Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, July 4th. Happy Independence Day. We start today with part 3 in Craig Gramlich's series on the equipment cycle, Repair and Maintain. In this article, Craig focuses on how to assess and prevent failures, how to optimize machine health, and how to ensure proper repair schedules to ensure reliability. Read the whole story at constructionequipment.com. All right, guys, real talk here for a moment. Men in the construction industry are 75% more likely to commit suicide than men in the general population, and also have higher rates of drug dependency and overdose. This is due to long work days, injuries, job instability, and overall workplace culture in the construction industry. Read how the Georgia wing of the American Foundation of Suicide Prevention is working to combat this through excellent programs such as the Construction Hike for Hope and the Talk Saves Lives program. And finally today, Case Construction Equipment has introduced 4 new mini excavators, 3 diesel, 1 electric, all 0 to minimum tail swing, and all featuring 2 standard auxiliary hydraulic circuit valves. Have a great Independence Day. We will see you back here safe and sound on Tuesday.